What if I told you there's a simple AI business model hiding in plain sight that can realistically generate $10,000 per month or more without building an app, without writing code, and without hiring a team? This isn't about launching a flashy tech startup. It's not about training complicated AI systems. It's about solving one very expensive problem that local businesses deal with every single day. They miss calls. And every missed call is lost revenue. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through a simple model that turns that problem into recurring income. And at the end, I'll show you where you can start a free trial of the platform and access free training to implement everything. Let's get into it. Local service businesses such as plumbers, roofers, chiropractors, dentists, med spas, realtors, and private clinics depend heavily on inbound calls. Because when someone picks up the phone to call, they usually intend to book an appointment or request a service. The issue is that calls don't arrive neatly between 9 and 5. They come in after hours, during lunch breaks, while staff are overwhelmed, or when the owner is out on a job, which means many of those calls go unanswered. When that happens, the caller simply contacts the next business on Google, and the business ends up going to a competitor. This is not a minor inconvenience. It is a consistent and expensive leak. The first step is to choose a niche. Instead of trying to serve every type of business, you begin by selecting one niche, such as plumbing, roofing, chiropractic clinics, dental practices, HVAC companies, or realtors. Focusing a niche allows you to tailor your message and speak directly to their specific pain points. The most attractive niches tend to be urgent, high-ticket, and appointment-driven, which means a single captured phone call can translate into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in revenue. By focusing on industries where responsiveness directly affects income, you position yourself as someone who is helping them generate more leads and sales, protect their revenue and income, and not just sell software. The next step is to open Google Maps and search for your chosen niche in your local area, where you will immediately see dozens or even hundreds of businesses that rely on phone calls to survive. Each listing represents a company that likely spends money on advertising and online visibility, yet may still lose opportunities due to missed calls. As you scroll through the results, you create a simple spreadsheet including the business name, phone number, website, number of reviews, and rating, effectively building a highly targeted lead list at no cost. So, you then test the market by calling these businesses during evenings, weekends, or peak busy hours, to figure out whether they answer live or just send callers to voicemail. When you discover how many businesses actually lack reliable 24/7 coverage, the opportunity becomes, well, pretty clear. If a company misses just 5 calls per day, and each job averages $300, that's $1,500 in potential daily revenue that could simply disappear. Over the course of a month, that missed opportunity really compounds, which is why solving this problem creates a real financial impact. Rather than building technology from scratch, you use a simple automation software that lets you set up a 24/7 AI voice receptionist. This system answers calls instantly, engages callers naturally, captures their details, routes conversations intelligently, books appointments right into calendars, sends SMS confirmations, and logs everything into a CRM. The AI receptionist never sleeps or takes breaks and ensures inbound opportunities are captured, even outside business hours. You're not just selling artificial intelligence as an ongoing trend or buzzword. Instead, you're delivering tangible results with consistent lead capture, a much better customer experience, and measurable revenue enhancement. The business model gets really powerful because you combine a one-time setup fee with a recurring monthly service fee. For example, you might charge $1,000 up front to configure the system and $497 per month to maintain and optimize it. If you sign 5 clients at that monthly rate, you're looking at roughly $2,500 in recurring revenue. With 10 clients, you're moving toward $5,000 per month. With 20 clients, you're approaching $10,000 per month recurring. This business model does not require hundreds of customers. It just takes a focused group of businesses that truly value dependable lead capture and revenue growth. Once the AI receptionist starts generating more booked appointments, and you see those visible improvements, the business owner really begins to notice the results and starts to trust your expertise. At this point, you can introduce some additional services using the same simple software, like automated review requests to boost online ratings, database reactivation campaigns to reconnect with old leads, conversational AI chatbots that have human-like instant reactions with clients, and even promotional messaging campaigns to help drive those seasonal sales. Since everything operates within one integrated ecosystem, you're able to increase client value without making things a whole lot more complicated for their operations. You know, a lot of entrepreneurs chase after these really complex AI ventures or speculative startup ideas, but small local businesses still end up underserved. And honestly, most of these businesses just care about practical outcomes, like getting more appointments, landing more jobs, and having a more predictable cash flow. This model works because it solves a real revenue problem, delivers measurable results, generates recurring income, and can be scaled up without advanced technical knowledge. It's simple, actionable, and grounded in real-world business needs. When you close your first 5 clients, you're already starting to build some meaningful recurring income. Hit 10 clients, and you're looking at real stability. And once you get close to 20 clients, you're moving toward $10,000 per month in recurring revenue, and that's not even counting setup fees or any upsells. As you add more services, get referrals, and expand into new niches, your growth really starts to compound, and the business just becomes more and more predictable. To get this model off the ground, you need a clearly defined niche, a list of prospects you can build using Google Maps, access to a reliable AI receptionist platform, and a straightforward pricing structure that combines setup and recurring fees. And of course, you need the confidence to approach businesses with a solution that's focused on boosting their revenue. You don't need to code, hire developers, or raise any investment capital. Really, you just need to follow a structured system and stay focused on delivering measurable results. So, if you're serious about building an AI business like this, there's a link in the description, where you can start a free trial of the software and access free training to help you set up this AI business. The training walks you step by step through finding clients, setting up the system, pricing your services, and scaling up toward $10,000 per month and beyond. Instead of just watching the AI revolution happen from the sidelines, now's your chance to actually get inside it. Go ahead and click the links below, start your free trial, check out the training, and begin building your own recurring AI income stream. If you found this video valuable, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.